I'm Robin, and I'm a dietetic intern at Sam Houston State University, and I'm going to be showing you today how to make broccoli and almond stuffed sweet potatoes. So for this recipe, you're going to need 4 sweet potatoes, 3 cups of broccoli, 4 tablespoons of margarine, and 4 teaspoons of slivered toasted almonds. Before I started prepping anything, I went ahead and I washed my hands for 20 seconds. It's very important for you to wash your hands before cooking. And then I also went ahead and washed and prepped the produce. So I just washed the sweet potatoes and then I washed and cut the broccoli. So let's go ahead and get started.
To cook the sweet potatoes, I'm going to pierce each sweet potato with a fork in a few spots. Then I am going to put the potatoes on a microwave-safe plate and microwave them until soft, which takes about 12 minutes. Using the microwave makes cooking the potatoes quick and easy. Did you know that sweet potatoes are one of the best sources of vitamin A? Vitamin A is important for good eye health. Now that the sweet potatoes are cooking, I am going to start making the broccoli. We are going to be steaming the broccoli. You can use a saucepan with a steamer or just a regular saucepan. I'm adding about an inch of water to the pan and letting it come to a boil. Next, I'm going to add in the broccoli, cover the pan, and reduce the heat to medium. I will let it cook for 6 minutes. By the time the broccoli is cooked, the sweet potatoes should be just about done cooking. Our sweet potatoes and broccoli are fully cooked, and now comes the fun part, stuffing the potatoes. For our toppings, we have margarine, broccoli, and our star of the dish, slivered toasted almonds. Almonds are an excellent heart-healthy food that have been shown to lower cholesterol. Did you know that almonds have more fiber than any other nut? There are lots of ways to enjoy almonds, including spreading almond butter on apples or adding almonds as a topping to cereal or vegetable dishes. They also make a delicious snack on their own or in a trail mix with other nuts and dried fruits. Almonds are a tasty topping which add flavor and crunch to this yummy dish. Now I'm going to slit each sweet potato in half and pinch the sides to open it. Next, I'll add a teaspoon of margarine, 2/3 of a cup of broccoli, and 1 tablespoon of toasted almonds to each potato. Overall, this dish is great tasting and great for you. It is naturally high in lots of nutrients that are great for our bodies.
All right, so here's the finished product with the sweet potatoes, the broccoli, and the almonds. And it's a really tasty and nutritious dish. I hope that you try it at home with your family. And I have a question for you. So in the comments down below, you can answer, what's your favorite way to enjoy almonds? Do you like them in different dishes or on your own? Let us know. Thanks. Bye.